Here is a tutorial for Agentic AI for beginners. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the Agentic AI website, and from there you'll be able to see there the beginner manual that you can go ahead and watch. Also take note that Agenta AI is actually a AI that should be purchased. So you can go ahead and click add to cart, or you can click on buy now and you will purchase this premium account. On the other hand, once you click on the Agentic AI, you'll be able to see the Agentic AI tutorial website that you can go ahead and read from so that you can learn from the different methods and steps that you wanted to have. So as you can see, there are programming foundations for the Agentic AI, also an introduction to generative AI, as well as the prompt engineering that you can use once you have already have the agentic AI on your end. And that is how you use it.